Welcome to Power BI demo channel. Today I'll do a very quick demo on how to use the end of the month function. I'll cover this into deep detail, and this video is meant for the beginners. The first thing, we have our table calendar, which is a date table. So we create a new measure. Just gonna make it bigger, and we give it a name. End of month equals, always start with the equals when you are doing a function, and our function is end of the month. And that's our function there, and this is our table calendar, and we want date column so that we can know the end of the month on that column. So once you're happy, commit. That should work. And now we should be able to see this as a 31st of March 2012, because it's end of the month for that particular period has been chosen. So we bring another card visual. And this is our new measure. And there we go, 31st of March 2012. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment.